Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we dive into the details of products that shape our everyday lives. Today, we're looking at the Cuisinart SPB-650P1 1HP blender in silver, a powerful kitchen tool designed to handle a variety of blending tasks with ease. Whether you're looking to make smoothies, crush ice, or tackle any other blending challenge, this blender promises to deliver. Let's see if it lives up to its claims. The Cuisinart SPB-650P1 is a sleek silver blender that boasts a 1-horsepower motor. It comes equipped with a 56-ounce BPA-free Tritan plastic jar, ensuring durability and safety for all your blending needs. This jar is designed with a comfort grip handle for easy pouring and handling, and it features a tight seal lid with a 2-ounce measuring cap, so you can make accurate measurements without any mess. The blender includes multiple speed options, including low and high settings, as well as a pulse function for added versatility. In addition, the pre-programmed smoothie and ice crush functions are perfect for those who want to quickly whip up their favorite beverages with minimal effort. The electronic touchpad controls with LED indicators are intuitive and modern, providing a smooth user experience. Now let's talk about how this blender actually performs in real-world situations. Setting it up was straightforward. There wasn't much to it beyond attaching the jar to the base and ensuring the lid was securely in place. The user-friendly controls made navigating the different speed settings and functions intuitive. I decided to test the blender with a variety of tasks. First, I used the smoothie function to blend a mix of frozen berries, banana, and yogurt. The results were impressive. It blended everything smoothly, with no chunks left behind. The consistency was silky, which is important when you're looking for that perfect drink. Next, I used the ice crush function to prepare some crushed ice for cocktails. The Cuisinart blender didn't hesitate. It handled the ice easily, providing a fine, consistent texture. The pulse function was handy here, allowing me to control the crush a bit more precisely. In terms of noise, it was a little loud during operation, but nothing too unexpected for a blender with this kind of power. The blender's 56-ounce capacity is a good size for making multiple servings, but it might be a bit large for smaller batches. If you're single or just need a quick smoothie in the morning, the size might be overkill. On the flip side, if you're entertaining guests or preparing drinks for the family, the larger jar is a bonus. The Tritan plastic jar feels sturdy, and I appreciated the fact that it's BPA-free, as health-conscious users will certainly find this appealing. The comfort grip handle really does make a difference during pouring, providing a stable hold, even when the jar is full. However, one of the areas where the Cuisinart SPB-650P1 could improve is its base. While it's stable enough, there were moments where I felt like it could use a bit more weight to keep it firmly in place during heavy blending. If you're blending thicker mixtures, the base could move around slightly, which can be a bit annoying. When considering the pros and cons, the Cuisinart SPB-650P1 definitely shines in terms of performance. Its powerful 1HP motor handles a variety of tasks well, from smoothies to ice crushing. The jar size and ergonomic design are great for families or anyone making large batches of drinks. The pre-programmed functions make it easy to get consistent results even if you're not an expert at using blenders. On the downside, the blender is a bit noisy, and the base could use a little more stability, especially when blending thicker ingredients. Additionally, the size of the jar might be a bit too large for some users, especially those who typically make single servings. The lack of additional accessories or attachments, such as a smaller jar for personal use, might also be a drawback for some. When it comes to value for money, the Cuisinart SPB-650P1 is priced reasonably for the features it offers. It's not the cheapest blender on the market, but given the powerful motor, the pre-programmed functions, and the sturdy build quality, it's a solid choice for anyone who blends frequently. Compared to other blenders in a similar price range, like the Ninja Professional Blender or the Hamilton Beach Power Elite, the Cuisinart stands out with its higher horsepower motor and ease of use. It's slightly more expensive than some budget options, but it feels like it offers more power and better longevity. In terms of build quality and longevity, the Cuisinart SPB-650P1 is made to last. The Tritan plastic jar is both durable and safe, while the motor is powerful enough to handle long-term use without overheating. I've had no issues with it so far, but the base could potentially wear down over time, especially with frequent use of the higher speed settings. Given the reputation of Cuisinart as a brand, I expect the blender to hold up well. But as with all products, longevity is often dependent on how it's used and maintained. While I didn't personally need to reach out to customer service, Cuisinart has generally received positive feedback when it comes to support. They are known for their responsive customer service, which can be an important factor if any issues do arise with the blender over time. To wrap things up, the Cuisinart SPB-650P1 1HP blender delivers strong performance with its powerful motor, pre-programmed settings, and comfortable design. It's an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable, versatile blender that can handle smoothies, ice crushing, and more. However, its larger jar size and noise level may be drawbacks for some users, and the base stability could be improved. Still, for its price range, it offers a great balance of performance and value. Thank you for watching. If you have any thoughts or questions, drop them in the comments section below. Also, if you've used this blender or are considering buying it, let us know what you think. You can find the link to get the product in the comments box. Thanks again for tuning in, and remember, whether it's gadgets, kitchen tools, or everything in between, there's always something new on Reviewsinside TV. Until next time, keep blending.